This is the Gerber Genuine 99300 fill valve. This fill valve does fit multiple different Gerber tank models. Now the fill valve should of course come complete with the complete assembly, the replenish tube, the gasket, and the nut that secures it to the tank. Now with some measurements, we're going to do a measurement of the complete assembly from the very bottom of the threads to the very top. You can see it measures right at about 13 inches. We can measure the replenish tube as well. It's not going to be a perfect measurement, but measures right at about 9.5 inches there. Now the float here just rides up and down on the assembly. It is fully adjustable with a Phillips head screwdriver. You just loosen or tighten that and adjust the height. The length is also adjustable. You can press this little thing up and then twist it down, or push it back up to adjust the height. Once again, this is the Gerber Genuine 99300 fill valve.